Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. In this video, you will learn how you can change font size in Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. First of all, go to the settings of your tablet here and go to display. Then click on font size and style. Then click on font size. Here by default, pointer is set to third point 1 2 3. If you set this pointer to next point, then it will be increasing, that is font size will be increasing, size will go bigger. If you again move to the move in the right direction, and again font size will be increasing. So it goes on increasing. If you move further on the right side, you can go up to very large size. This is very large size. Last point is the very large size, and just you can here preview, or you can just go to home page and you can see the complete change of font size. You can see, just go to the settings and you can see all changes of font size. Wow, what a big font size here. If you want to really decrease font size, then again go to the same settings and click on display. Now come to font size and style, and you have to bring this pointer to the left side. So I decrease one step now, then two step, three step, and up to last step I can go. So this leftmost side, leftmost will be the very small size. See the changes. Yes, font size has been changed and it's very small. Again I go to the settings of my tablet, and I would like to set in default position. So again I need to here go display, then I have to click on font size and style and set in the third point, that is the default font size here. So in this way you can easily bring back font size to default in your tablet, the Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. So here you have learned how to increase or decrease font size, and also bring back to default font size in your tablet Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.